There he is.
We're riding, man. We're riding. Are those flower petals?
Yeah, from Jenny and Sean's. Oh.
Hang on.
You got a new wagon. That's cool, dude. What a smooth ride, Dad. You say cheese? It's animals. No, that'd be cute. Say hi to your mom. Hey, Mama. Thanks for the wagon. The baby and the lady. Can you get in too? You want to ride with them? Yeah, it's Trey.
Hey, I'm looking for you.
All right, let's go this way. Sit on your bottom. Yeah, Trey and Colin.
I see how this works. The dog pulls you, you pull the base.
Christmas 2014. Hi, Brody. Can you wave to Grandmommy? Hi, sweetie. Bye-bye. I have a feeling this handle's going to be marked up in no time. Yeah.